Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here at CES 2020, and today we're taking a quick first look at the TicPods 2 Pro from Mobvoi. These were just released today and they come in 3 different colors. We have white, black, and pink, which were the ones they had out for testing. And I got to test them out a little bit and get my first impressions. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that they do have that AirPod look to them, which I was never really a fan of, to be honest. And they also don't have any rubber ear tips. So pretty much like the AirPods 2. Now, they did fit in my ears just fine and didn't seem to want to fall out when shaking my head. So that's good, seeing as how they don't have the rubber ear tips. But of course, this will all depend on your ear size. And surprisingly, they actually sounded pretty good. Volume got really loud, so it pretty much blocked out all of the outside sound. Bass sounded good and music came through clear. Now, of course, this is just with some quick testing. I will get an official pair to review and really put them to the test. These are sweat resistant and do support Bluetooth 5.0, so they can easily connect to something like your smartwatch or smartphone device. And speaking of smartphones, I got to give a huge thanks to the sponsors of this video, New Mobile and Mint Mobile. New Mobile provides great budget devices for those that don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a smartphone. And smartphones like their G3 lineup is so nice that one wouldn't think it's a budget phone. And this year they got something new that, well, you're just gonna have to wait for my hands-on video, which is coming soon. But if you do decide to get one of their devices, then why not pair it with a great prepaid service plan by Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile has great data speeds and always provides some of the best prepaid plans that you can get. And if you find yourself interested in our sponsors, I'll make sure to leave some links down in the description below. So moving over to the features of the TicPods 2 Pro, they provide some pretty cool ones, with the first one being Tic Motion. What this is a head gesture control. So say you're receiving a phone call and you want to answer it. Well, all you have to do is just nod your head yes, and it will automatically answer that call. Or you can shake your head no to ignore it. It's a pretty cool feature. Now, these also have Tic Here, which allows for quick commands. So it basically gives you the ability to give commands without saying hey or hello before your command. Then you have your touch controls, which they are calling the tickle feature, and then a dual mic noise isolation, so that way people can hear you better when talking and you can also hear them better as well. But so far, after doing a quick test, they actually sound pretty good and have some cool features. But like I mentioned earlier, of course, I am going to have to get my own official pair to really give these a good review. They do go for $139, and like I mentioned, in black, white, and pink. Now, I haven't been able to find a link for these just yet, even though they have been released today. But once I do, I will make sure to put it down in the description below. But y'all let me know what you think of the TicPods Pro 2. Also, let me know what you'd like me to cover in my official review. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.